Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to increase and decrease text in Microsoft Excel. So let us started. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, then we show the this text is the increase and decrease. Firstly, this text increase and decrease is the select your all text and click for the increase and click for the decrease. Then again on columns text in the click for the increase and decrease. Then again another words increase and decrease. Again increase and decrease. That's okay. Then we show the text increase and decrease in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for